Ooh, it is with me in the morning at the very break of day. It lingers when the sun has slipped away. It's my comfort when I'm lonely, my courage to be strong, keeping time with my heartbeat. It's my song, and I give to you this part of me because you are my friend. It's a mirror of the heart of me. Look inside, see my soul, share my song, and it will never end, never end. It is always deep inside me, the shadow of my mind, the echo of 1,000 memories. It is sometimes sad and gentle, and sometimes brave and strong, the reflection of my spirit. It's my song, and I give to you this part of me because you are my friend. It's a mirror of the heart of me. Look inside, see my soul, share my song, and it will never end. Share my song, and it will never end, never end.
Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are top, that's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to. Oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dare to. Why, oh why can't I?
Your voice, your smile made life worthwhile. Your voice, your smile made life worthwhile. My buddy, I want you to know. Nights are long since you went away. I think about you all through the day. My buddy, nobody quite so true, so true. Miss your voice, the touch of your hand. Just long to know you understand. My buddy, your body misses you. I miss you. Life is a book that we study. Some of its leaves bring us there it was written, my buddy, that we must part, you and I. I miss your voice, the touch of your hand. you're more alive. From the day we arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope, through pain.